Biden defends Obamacare, and your Monday pick on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily, starting now. Good morning, traders, and welcome to your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Monday, July 15th, 2019. I'm Joshua Stark. Joe Biden is taking an aggressive approach to defending Obamacare, challenging not just only President Donald Trump, but some of his rivals for the Democratic presidential nomination who want to replace the current insurance system with a fully government-run model. The former vice president will spend most of the coming week talking about his approach to health care, including remarks he'll deliver on Monday in Iowa at a presidential forum sponsored by AARP. His most singular focus on the 2010 healthcare law has been on display recently during campaign stops in the early voting states. Up next on Arbitrage State of the Bands, it's more news and your pick of the day.
If getting the most out of your investment is important to you, then beware of cheap entertainment when planning your next party. Omega Sound and Entertainment is a Hall of Fame mobile DJ company that travels the country, specializing in once-in-a-lifetime events from weddings and private parties to corporate events and more. For your once-in-a-lifetime event, invest wisely. Invest where the search for premier entertainment ends. Omega Sound and Entertainment. Online at OmegaSoundDJs.com or Omega Sound DJs on Instagram.
Facebook may be close to putting a Federal Trade Commission investigation behind it, but it faces a variety of other probes in Europe and the U.S., some of which could present it with even bigger headaches. While the $5 billion fine from the FTC, which Facebook has been expecting, is by far the largest the agency has levied on a technology company, the real worries for Facebook and its investors and the companies that use it to advertise on its service are the other restrictions and government oversight that might come with it. Your Monday pick is a manufacturer of specialty pharmaceutical, generic drugs, and imaging agents. In 2017, it generated 90% of its sales from the U.S. healthcare system. While headquartered in Ireland for tax purposes, its operational headquarters is in the U.S. Your Monday pick is Mallinkrodt, symbol MNK, starting today at $8.42 a share. Don't forget to tell everybody we're on iTunes and YouTube too. Just search Arbitrage Bands.
Invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, all commission-free, right from your phone or desktop. Access professional research reports, trade on margin, and make bigger instant deposits with Robinhood Gold, all starting at $5 a month. It only takes a few minutes to take control of your financial future. Sign up now to start investing with Robinhood at arbitragetrade.com/Robinhood.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.